Hello doctors, in this video we'll discuss a mnemonic for the very high yield topic, mechanism of action of bacterial toxins. The first mechanism here is increase in CAMP or cyclic AMP. The word CAMP itself has the organisms that follow this mechanism. C is for cholera or Vibrio cholerae. A stands for anthrax or Bacillus anthracis. M is for the mild or the labile variant of ETEC. And P stands for pertussis, which is caused by Bordetella pertussis. Next mechanism is the one that involves increasing cyclic GMP. G here stands for garam or hot, which gives a clue to the organism, the heat-stable variant of ETEC. Next up, we have the bacteria which inhibit protein synthesis. In these, we have the first subset, EF2 or elongation factor 2 inhibiting toxins. Bacteria here are the diphtheria and Pseudomonas. Here we can remember this by the alphabetical order DEF. D for diphtheria and for the D in Pseudomonas, and EF for the EF2 or elongation factor 2. Number 2 in protein synthesis inhibiting toxins is Shigella or Shixty, which inhibits 60S rRNA. Also in microbiology, we have seen that the Shigella toxin and the toxin of EHEC, which also goes by the name Shiga-like toxin, work the same. Both have the same toxic dose of 10 to 100. Both cause bloody diarrhea or dysentery, and also both of them have the same mechanism, that is inhibiting 60S rRNA. Third, in the protein-inhibiting category is the toxin of Clostridium difficile. Its toxin works by inhibiting glucosyl transferase. Here we can relate this as follows. Losing or transferring glucose or fat from our body in order to lose weight is difficult, right? And hence, glucosyl transferase and C. difficile or difficult go together. Now, a brief overview of mechanisms of other Clostridium toxins. Toxin titanospasmin of Clostridium tetani works on the ventral horns of spinal cord by presynaptic inhibition of the release of the inhibitory neurotransmitters GABA as well as glycine. It is important to note here that the pesticide strychnine causes the same effects as tetani but works by almost the same but a slightly different mechanism, in that strychnine only inhibits the release of glycine and not of GABA. On the other hand, the toxin of Clostridium botulinum, called the botulinum toxin, which is also the most potent toxin, exhibits its action at the NMJ, the neuromuscular junction, or autonomic ganglia, or the parasympathetic and sympathetic post-ganglionic terminal, and it inhibits the presynaptic release of acetylcholine. For completion's sake, Clostridium perfringens, the alpha toxin of which acts by dermonecrotic and hemolytic activity, it also has lecithinase activity, and alpha toxin is the one responsible for gas gangrene. Another toxin, beta toxin of Clostridium perfringens, has dermonecrotic and lethal properties, and this is the one that causes pig bell. Here is a summary flashcard of all the bacterial toxins along with their mechanism of action. You may take a screenshot for a quick revision of this topic during your next reading. Do like and share the video if you found it helpful. Comment below any other topic you'd like a mnemonic for. Subscribe to our channel to get updates on the next mnemonic we post. Hope you have a productive day ahead.